So you're in line at the check-in counter, waiting to lift your bag onto the scale, just hoping that you're going to get away with your packing this time too. Or maybe last time it didn't go so well, which is going to make you even more nervous this time, right? I know the feeling. Because, you know, if that number comes up and you're over the limit, you're either going to have to pay a fee that can cost more than the ticket itself, or you end up having to unzipper your suitcase and start rearranging your clothes in front of the whole line. Here's the thing, you never have to find out at the counter ever again. You can know this before you even finish packing, and you do not need a scale in order to figure this out. So most advice for this is some version of, yeah, just weigh it yourself. Well, super easy if you don't have a weight, right? Instead of weighing it after you pack, let me show you how you can check before you even pack entirely for free in just a couple of minutes here. So welcome over to my computer here. I'm over on my website where I've created a really cool calculator for you, which is going to help you figure out exactly how much your luggage weighs. We're going to measure it up against your ticket and airline type here. So I'm going to take an example trip here that I need to do, which is to Bangkok to fix like a tooth implant, or I'm going to put on like a crown and some stuff. Yeah, I'm a man, but you can put in multiple people here if you want to. And I wear L to XL clothes. Sadly, more on XL side these days. This is going to help determine the weight of the clothes pretty much. And then we have the trip length and stuff. So here you can decide if you want pounds or kilograms. I'm just going to keep it in pounds since I know that many of you guys watching are from the States. So I filled in KLM here, but let's do like an American example, American Airlines. So you fill in the airlines that you want to fly with, and then you decide your ticket types. This is going to help determine what type of baggage you can bring, right? Let's keep it at economy. You can see American Airlines are quite lenient on the enforcement, and I want to do like another airline here as well. So I'm going to add another airline. Let's do AirAsia. That is an Asian airline since we're going to Bangkok to fix our tooth anyway, right? These are quite strict. It's an economy airline. You can see our strict enforcement, blah, 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 blah. So down here you can adjust as well. If you want to add additional bags, it should pull your bags automatically. I travel with a small day pack as well as actually a travel backpack. And like I said, I kind of pre-fill this to adjust this to your needs. See, I travel quite light. And remember to not fill in clothes that you're wearing on travel day, because that doesn't count towards your allowance, right? Let's fill in the toiletries together here. We need some sunscreen, hair products, yeah, shaving stuff. It should be quite good here. Kind of a nerd, so I need some of this stuff. Probably a charger, yeah, looks good. Cameras, case I want to make some more videos for you guys. You just fill it in, right? And if you can't find it in this common list, you can open this up as well. And you'll find some less common items in here if you want to add them. Can't find it still, just add the approximate weight here. So once we have done all this, we do see if everything fits. It fits, but it's tight. Okay, well, let's say that it didn't fit then. Let's add another t-shirt, right? Or 2, 3. Now you can see it definitely doesn't fit. But what's cool here is that you can adjust these sliders so that it doesn't go overweight. I like to give it a little bit of leeway since this is like an approximation calculator, right? Let's say 10 pounds in the carry-on, and then we can move the rest over to the personal item instead. You can feel free to play around with this. You can adjust it all down here as well. So once you have all this, then you get some additional tips down here as well to help your trip get even better. Maybe some adjustments and stuff. Tips, yeah, you can start washing clothes since it's a 3-week trip, right? I obviously have to with my, what was it, 5 t-shirts and 3 pairs of underwear. Anyway, once you've done all that, you can go down here and you can either have me send you this sheet automatically via email. You can also get some other goodies here if you want to. Just fill in your email and you join my hacking community via email. If you're not ready for that, you can also tap here and you get a free printable version of this, which you can save as a PDF or print out directly to your printer. Just show you what it looks like here. So it says like the trip length and your requirements. It goes out from the most strict airline, so you don't need to worry about like if one airline is lenient and another one was strict, then it goes out from the strict one. You can see all the stuff that we have put in here, totals. So before your trips, instead of guessing and just hoping at the counter, you can run this once every time and you'll just know, right? It's completely free. Like I said, there are no signups required and it takes a couple of minutes. So I'm going to add a link to the calculator here in the video description, as well as in the top pinned comment under the video, or you can simply go to organizing.tv/calculator. So go check your bag before you pack it, and the check-in counter stops being a gamble every single time. So I hope you have a great trip, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.